Inside the wrestling arena of WWE, Dwayne is as sturdy as a rock, hence his ring name, The Rock. But did you know that he wrestles his way to life besides wrestling in the ring? And just like how he wins through every technique he employs in the ring, he also does that in the real world. Today, let's discover how The Rock lives $1 million lifestyle. Today, let's know better the youngest self-made billionaires worldwide. But first, please remember to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Dwayne Douglas Johnson, known as The Rock, was born in 1972 in Hayward, California, USA. He gained worldwide recognition as a prominent celebrity. Johnson initially showcased his physical abilities through American football in high school and college. In 1996, he signed a contract with WWE, propelling him to become one of the most renowned and successful wrestlers in the show. In addition to his wrestling career, Johnson has made a significant impact in the film industry, appearing in numerous movies. This has led to his immense success at the box office, making him one of the highest-paid actors globally. As a result, he enjoys a life of luxury and comfort alongside his cherished family, solidifying his position as one of the most prosperous celebrities in the world. Dwayne Johnson's life of luxury and success was only sometimes the case. In the early stages of his wrestling career, he earned as little as $40 per match. However, his fortunes changed when he reached the pinnacle of wrestling in WWE, where he made millions of dollars annually. It was in his Hollywood movie career that Johnson truly amassed his wealth. He received substantial paychecks for his roles, such as millions of dollars for movies like The Scorpion King, The Other Guys, Fast and Furious 6, The Rundown, Central Intelligence, Furious 7, Hercules, Black Adam, Red Notice, and San Andreas. With his exceptional earnings, he has been repeatedly recognized as the highest-paid actor globally, with his peak year being 2018, when he reportedly earned around $124 million, making him the highest-paid actor of all time. While the exact extent of his wealth remains unknown, various sources estimate Dwayne Johnson's net worth to be approximately $800 million, placing him among the wealthiest actors in the world. Beyond his media fame, Johnson is also a successful entrepreneur. He has invested in various sectors and established his production company 7 Bucks Productions, which has released several highly successful films starring him, including Rampage, Jumanji: The Next Level, Hobbs & Shaw, and Red Notice, among others. As a prominent figure in the fitness industry, he launched Athletico, a mega event with talks focused on athletics and well-being, in 2019. He also released the Rock Clock app, featuring a motivational alarm clock and a goal plan to improve his physique. He acquired the XFL Professional Football League alongside other partners. Johnson has investments in the beverage industry, including energy drink brand SOA Energy, and holds a significant stake in the tequila brand Taramana, which is projected to be worth billions. With over 6 million YouTube subscribers and around 350 million Instagram followers, Johnson utilizes his massive social media following to promote his businesses and products and endorse other companies such as Apple, Voss, and Under Armour. He earns approximately $15 million annually from his partnership with Ford and receives an estimated $25 million annually from his Under Armour endorsement deal, making it his most lucrative advertising agreement. Given his fame and wealth, it's no surprise that he can afford mansions. In 2012, he purchased a grand estate in a gated community in Miami, Florida. With a sprawling 13,000 square feet, the property's interior showcases a classic style furnished with sophisticated decor. The mansion features 6 spacious bedrooms, 7 bathrooms with luxurious amenities, and a cinema room for the actor to enjoy his movies. Outside the mansion offers ample space with lush green lawns and a stunning swimming pool with a hot tub. The estimated price tag for this property was approximately $3.5 million. However, The Rock's most expensive mansion is on a 3.67-acre plot in Beverly Hills, California. While little details are available about the interior, the property provides the utmost privacy, leisure, and comfort, resembling a luxurious resort. It includes vast green spaces, a cinema with comfortable seating, a tennis court, and multiple pools, including an indoor heated pool. Acquiring this Mediterranean-style mansion came at a high cost, with reports suggesting that The Rock paid a staggering $27.8 million for the Beverly Hills property. Now let's explore his farm. The Rock owns a remarkable 46-acre farm in Powder Springs, Georgia, with a well-maintained green lawn and a sizable private lake. He enjoys fishing and spending time with his daughters in a serene environment. The acquisition of this beautiful farm required a significant investment, with reports suggesting a price tag of approximately $9.5 million. The main farmhouse, constructed in 2002, follows the French provincial architectural style and offers nearly 15,000 square feet of living space. Rustic elements such as walnut wood and stone finishes create a charming ambiance inside. The mansion boasts 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, multiple living rooms, and a well-appointed kitchen. The basement includes a bar and a wine cellar capable of housing hundreds of bottles. The backyard has a delightful recreation area with a barbecue and a stunning circular pool with a hot tub. The estate also features vast pasture areas, a barn with 12 stables, and a spacious sand track designed specifically for horses, providing ample space for Dwayne Johnson's enjoyment with his animals. Dwayne Johnson, known for his generosity, never forgets to bless others. During Thanksgiving, he shared on social media the moment he gifted a fan with his custom Ford F-150 valued at over $75,000. He also gave the same car model to his stunt double and his uncle, who inspired him. But his car donations didn't stop there. He gifted his sister-in-law and mother with Cadillac Escalades, his father with a Ford Explorer and a Cadillac Escalade, his cousin with a Lexus RX, and his employee with a Ford Edge. Additionally, he surprised his mother with an incredible mansion in Los Angeles, estimated to be worth around $3.5 million. The mansion has a light-colored interior, dark wooden floors, a spacious chef's kitchen, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a pool, a barbecue area, and a basketball court, providing comfort and luxury for the whole family. The Rock, known for his love for luxury vehicles, has been seen enjoying a variety of cars. Among them are a $35,000 Plymouth Prowler, a $55,000 Chevy Chevelle from 1971, a $75 Ford F-150, a $100,000 Jaguar F-Type, a $105,000 Cadillac Escalade, a $110,000 Range Rover Sport, a $120,000 Chevrolet Camaro from 1969, a $130,000 BMW i8, a $140,000 Porsche Cayenne, a $145,000 Porsche Panamera, a $150,000 Aston Martin Vantage, a $180,000 McLaren 650s, a $210,000 Aston Martin DB9, a $220,000 Bentley Continental GT, a $250,000 Ferrari 458, a $300,000 Lamborghini Huracan, a $310,000 Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, a $340,000 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a $350,000 Rolls-Royce Wraith, and a $450,000 Lamborghini Aventador. He has also been seen with a $500,000 Ford GT660. However, he has been spotted with even more expensive cars, such as the McLaren P1, which can cost over $1.2 million, and the Ferrari LaFerrari, priced at over $1.4 million. The most expensive car he has been seen using is the Pagani Huayra, which could have cost him over $2.6 million if he owned it. Dwayne Johnson, the wealthy actor, has a penchant for luxury watches, and has been seen wearing a variety of high-end timepieces. Some of the watches he has been spotted include the Tag Heuer Monaco at $7,500, the Breitling Super Ocean Heritage at $8,000, IWC Big Pilot 7 Days at $13,000, IWC Portuguese Annual Calendar at $21,000, Rolex GMT Master 2 at $25,000, Rolex Yacht Master at $28,000, the Panerai Submersible Gold Tech at $30,000, IWC Big Pilot Perpetual Calendar Spitfire at $30,000, Audemars Piguet at $35,000, and the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak White Gold at $320,000. In addition to his luxury watches, Johnson enjoys the luxury of private jet travel. While he doesn't own his aircraft, he frequently charters the Gulfstream G650, known for its speed and modern features. He is estimated to spend around $15,000 per hour at flight time when using these private jets for his travels. Do you think The Rock is living the life? Which aspect of his lifestyle would you like to have for yourself? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, interact with us in the comments. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world, only here at Luxury Mindset.